up, guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. I was gonna plan this date night at home for me and Teron, and I was like, you know what, might as well pull out the camera and film it. Teron is usually the one who plans all the dates when we go out to eat, all of that. That's always him. So I thought, let me plan a little something. We're gonna hit up a couple stores and then come home and cook a little meal. It's 3:33. And I told him to be ready at 8. I'll be cutting it close. Oh, I got my hair done. I had got it cut and I dyed it black. I filmed it, but the vlog that I want to put together, there's other clips from my photo shoot and stuff that I did with Honor Active. I can't post it yet. So this will for sure come out way before then. And it's all super black, but it's so healthy. We cut off quite a bit. And honestly, I need a little bit more cut, but we're just gonna gradually do it. Just gonna have a little leftovers from last night, some lunch. I made some fried rice and Teron made some steak. So of course it's gonna be a little movie night. We love a little movie time together. But I also bought this little activity thing on Amazon, Unsolved Case Files, which I thought is so cool. They're like $30 and you can kind of choose what case you want to solve. This one is Max Cahill and it's a homicide. It's sealed, closed. I thought we would, after dinner, you know, play a little game and then we have dessert, watch a movie, and then dessert after. This is what we're looking like right now, but I think I'm just gonna put our comforter, blankets on top, because we're just gonna sit on the floor and I'm gonna pile some pillows and make it all cozy and comfortable. But the biggest thing I've been trying to figure out is dinner. I feel like I wanna make something new. Every time we go out to dinner or like a new restaurant, he always gets lamb chops. The thing is, I've never made lamb chops before. Yeah, I know, like, I don't think they cheap. Dang, what if I butcher it? I need to find a good recipe. And then I'll make my own garlic mashed potatoes, make my list of the things I need to pick up, and then also figure out the cocktail for tonight. Tequila, of course. And I wanna get like a cute little sexy little nightgown. I don't wanna dress up, but I also don't wanna be in like, these are my pajamas, like from Skims. Y'all see me in this all the time. And then I'll maybe get him like some matching bottoms or something. I'm gonna finish up my list and then we're gonna head on out. I'm wearing a whole bunch of nothing, so. This is my errands, just some biker shorts, white t-shirt, some little fake Birkenstocks. I think I have 4 stores that I need to go to. H-E-B to get the lamb chops. I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's to get all of the other grocery stuff. Target, maybe, to get like a little sexy little nightgown kind of thing. Home Goods or TJ Maxx kind of store for, I need like a little cocktail shaker and things like that. It's 4:30 now, so let's see if I can get this done in 2 hours. That would literally be perfect. Expensive. Few different options down here. First store done. I knew they were pricey, but dang, $60. There were some that were cheaper, but I have a big man, okay? I have a big man and he could eat, so I had to get the $60 one. The parking lot of Trader Joe's is super full, so I'm not really sure how much I'll actually be able to film, but I'll get as much as I can.
So you did go home. You did.
Right, doing great so far on time. Trader Joe's is always the GOAT. That was only like a $30 bill, and I got a couple other things that weren't part of date night, like my soup dumplings. Now it's on to, we got Home Goods, and then we got Target. Today was absolutely long for no reason at all. It's nighttime now. It's dark outside, and it wasn't dark when I left. It was 4:30. If you do this, plan in advance. Don't be like me. Don't go and pick up the stuff you need day of, because something always goes wrong. I was on a roll, hitting the stores back to back, had exactly what I needed. Finding pajamas I went to like 6 different stores. No one has pajamas. What? Oh, I just had to grab some just random pajama shorts and little crop top from Target. At least got us like matching. I got me some like tiny little shorts, and then him some like longer, you know, the gray slits. It's like a basic top, but not at all cute little nightgown that I wanted to wear. Anyways, we're gonna make the best of it. I was trying to find a shaker bottle alcohol. Like I got this one, but it was just like this random last one. And HomeGoods always has like 1,000 alcohol sets. Nothing, 0. Went to Ross, nothing, 0. The things that were on my list were like the most basic, common things. But whatever, I did get another book. That was one thing I got. I got book 3 of the ACOTAR series. I got it. Don't worry about what I'm doing in here. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. I'm gonna make one. Shut up. What I do first is I gotta get the garlic in the oven because this is gonna take the longest. I gotta bake it for 45 minutes, which is perfect. So I'll bake this, I'll go shower, start straightening up, then get the potatoes boiled, and then we just go from there. Fresh out of the shower. Now I'm gonna do just a little bit of skincare, do something decent with my hair, and then we're gonna get dressed. dinner is done. Last thing I need to do is make us a little drinky drink, and then we're gonna watch a movie. And then after that, I'll make the cookies, and then we'll play the game. I went in this kitchen. I went in, okay? I'll put everything down in the description box. His name is Max. He's the victim. He's the victim.